Let's talk about a job that feeds the world's craving for something crunchy, salty, and triangular: the mighty Dorito. It's not just a snack, it's a phenomenon that shaped how we munch, share, and celebrate. Whether you're at a party, watching a game, or just looking for a quick bite, chances are, you've reached for that iconic orange chip at least once. Born from leftover tortillas at a Disneyland restaurant in 1964, Doritos turned a simple idea into a global snack empire. What started as a clever way to reduce food waste quickly became a sensation, as people fell in love with the bold flavors and satisfying crunch. Today, Doritos generate over $4 billion in revenue annually and are sold in more than 70 countries. From Tokyo to Toronto, you'll find Doritos in countless flavors, each tailored to local tastes, making it a truly international snack. In the US, they hold nearly 20% of the savory snack market, second only to Lay's. That's a staggering share, considering the fierce competition in the snack aisle. Doritos aren't just a snack, they're a cultural icon, fueling movie nights, road trips, and study sessions everywhere. They've become a symbol of fun, spontaneity, and togetherness, bringing people together over a shared love of bold flavor. But with popularity comes responsibility. A half bag can deliver almost 40% of your daily sodium. It's a reminder that even the tastiest treats should be enjoyed in moderation, especially when it comes to your health. That irresistible flavor is engineered, not accidental. Every step is designed for maximum crunch and craveability. Food scientists spend years perfecting the seasoning, texture, and even the sound of the crunch to make sure every bite is unforgettable. So, how does a humble corn kernel become a Dorito? It's a journey of heavy machinery, science, and a lot of hard work. From the moment the corn arrives at the factory, it's carefully processed, cooked, and transformed into the chips we all know and love. We're pulling back the curtain to follow that kernel from field to supermarket shelf. It's a story of innovation, logistics, and a relentless pursuit of snack perfection. Get ready to see the engineering and precision behind every bag. The process is a blend of art and science, with every detail fine-tuned for quality and consistency. Grab a snack, and let's dive into how Doritos are made. You'll never look at your favorite chip the same way again. This is more than just a chip. It's a marvel of modern food production, a testament to creativity, technology, and the universal love of a good crunch. Every Dorito starts its journey in a sprawling cornfield, where endless rows of green stretch as far as the eye can see, swaying gently in the breeze beneath the open sky. Most of these fields are found in the heart of the American Midwest, a region known for its rich soil and ideal climate for growing corn. Here, dedicated farmers spend months nurturing special corn varieties, carefully selected for their perfect starch content and the ideal texture needed for chips. When harvest season arrives, massive combine harvesters roar to life, sweeping through the fields with precision. These machines slice through the tall stalks and collect the golden ears of corn with incredible efficiency, covering acres in just hours. Each harvester can process up to 140 tons of corn every day, stripping away husks and stems right there in the field, leaving only the valuable kernels behind. The separated kernels are then loaded into waiting trucks, piled high, and ready to begin their journey from the farm to the factory. At the processing plant, bulldozers and conveyor belts move literal mountains of corn, transferring them from storage silos into the heart of production. The peaceful days of the cornfield are over. Now the real transformation begins as the corn enters a world of machines, noise, and non-stop activity. Every day, thousands of tons of corn arrive at the plant, fueling a relentless production line that never seems to rest. The journey from plant to chip is about to speed up dramatically and get a whole lot louder as the corn is prepared for its next transformation. Each humble kernel is now on its way to becoming a global snack, destined to be enjoyed by millions around the world. Let's step inside and discover what happens next on this incredible journey from field to flavor. At the factory, the journey of every Dorito begins with a meticulous cleaning process, removing every trace of field debris, from stray leaves to stubborn bits of soil. This step is crucial, ensuring that only the purest corn makes it further down the line. High-speed husking systems, equipped with rough, textured rollers, work tirelessly to strip away any remaining husks or silks clinging to the cobs. These machines are engineered for efficiency, handling massive volumes of corn with remarkable precision. Next, the corn enters a sophisticated kernel separation chamber. Here, ultra-sharp blades and smart sensors work in perfect harmony, freeing kernels from the cob at lightning speed. This technology processes thousands of ears per hour, maximizing yield while minimizing waste. The freshly separated kernels then undergo a rigorous, multi-stage cleaning. Vibrating sieves shake off any lingering debris, ensuring that only the cleanest kernels remain. Powerful airflows sweep across the kernels, blowing away dust and lighter particles that could affect the final product's quality. Next, high-pressure water jets scrub the kernels clean, swirling them in tanks to remove any remaining impurities. This step leaves the corn sparkling and ready for further processing. A rotating drum then gently peels off the tough outer layer, revealing the tender, golden kernel inside. Automated sorting machines grade the kernels by size, removing any that don't meet strict standards. Only the most uniform, high-quality kernels are selected for the next stage. This careful selection ensures that only the best, most consistent kernels move forward, setting the foundation for a perfect chip. Every kernel is inspected for quality, with workers and machines working side by side to guarantee excellence at every step. Clean, sorted and ready, the kernels are now prepped for their next transformation: cooking. Quality control is relentless here. Nothing less than perfection makes it through. Every batch is double-checked to ensure consistency and safety. With every step, the stage is set for the magic to begin, as the corn is now ready for the next phase. From here, the corn is ready for cooking, where it will be transformed into something truly special. The journey from field to chip is well underway, with every kernel playing its part in the story. Let's see how the heart of the Dorito is made, as we follow these perfect kernels into the next stage of their transformation. Now, the corn is cooked using nixtamalization, a centuries-old process essential for authentic flavor. Kernels are mixed with water and lime, then heated to break down their tough exteriors. After a brief cook, they soak for hours in massive tanks, absorbing water and lime for the perfect texture. A final rinse removes any remaining husk and excess lime. The result, plump, soft kernels, ready for grinding. These kernels are crushed between giant stones into a thick masa dough, the foundation of every Dorito. Technicians monitor temperature, moisture, and texture to ensure consistency. About 20% white corn is blended in for the ideal dough. This isn't just mashing corn, it's food science at work. The masa is now ready to become a chip. The transformation from raw corn to dough is complete. The masa dough is pressed into a paper-thin sheet by heavy rollers, its thickness precisely controlled. A high-speed cutter punches out perfect triangles, up to 6,000 per minute. Leftover dough is recycled, ensuring zero waste. The raw triangles travel through a massive oven for a quick 16-second flash bake. This step dries the surface and creates tiny air blisters, giving Doritos their signature bubbly crunch. The chips emerge firmer and drier, ready for frying. The process is a high-speed ballet of machines, each step critical for texture and shape. Millions of triangles move relentlessly toward the fryer. The humble corn has been transformed. Now it's time for the crunch. The next step is where the magic happens. Let's see how Doritos get their iconic bite. The journey continues. The fryer is where Doritos get their golden color and signature crunch. Chips are submerged in hot oil for exactly 55 seconds. Timing is everything. Too long, and they burn. Too short, and they're greasy. Rapid dehydration in the fryer creates that crisp, brittle texture. Quality control monitors every batch for color and crunch. Fresh from the oil, chips are sprayed with a fine mist of canola oil. This helps seasoning stick. Without this step, the flavor dust would fall off. The chips then travel along a cooling conveyor, letting heat dissipate and locking in crunch. If seasoned too hot, steam would ruin the texture. Now the chips are a blank canvas, perfectly cooked and ready for flavor. The transformation is nearly complete. Next up, the seasoning drum. Let's see how Doritos get their famous taste. In the seasoning drum, plain chips become Doritos. Chips tumble in a giant rotating drum as a precise blend of powdered seasoning is sprayed in. For nacho cheese, it's real cheese powders and a secret mix of spices. The drum's rotation ensures every chip is evenly coated. Consistency is key. Engineers have perfected the drum's angle and speed for maximum coverage without breaking chips. This process runs non-stop, flavoring millions of chips every hour. Doritos' global success comes from this versatility. Over 20 flavors worldwide. Each flavor has its own unique blend, but the process is always the same. The chips emerge fully flavored, ready for packaging. The magic of Doritos is in this final, flavorful tumble. Seasoned Doritos cool on a conveyor, blasted with cold air to lock in crunch and prevent sogginess. Automated weighers portion chips into bags with incredible speed and accuracy. Before sealing, a puff of nitrogen gas replaces oxygen, keeping chips fresh and crisp for months. Nitrogen also cushions the chips, preventing breakage during shipping. Bags are sealed airtight, stamped with expiration dates, and packed into boxes by robotic arms. From there, Doritos travel to warehouses and stores worldwide. Every step is designed to preserve that perfect crunch. The journey from field to bag is almost complete. Soon, these chips will be in your hands. The process is a marvel of modern automation. Let's look at the legacy Doritos have built. Doritos aren't just a snack, they're a cultural phenomenon. In Mexico, Doritos turn a bag of Doritos into a wild street food, loaded with toppings from veggies to candy. The brand's constant innovation, new flavors, limited editions, keeps fans coming back for more. Doritos are a platform for flavor exploration, balancing classic taste with bold creativity. The process, from sun-drenched fields to high-tech factories, is a feat of modern manufacturing. Every step, from farmer to engineer, is vital to delivering that perfect chip. Next time you crunch a Dorito, remember the journey it took. All that science, engineering, and hard work comes together in one bite. Making billions of chips is a dirty job. But snackers everywhere agree, it's a job well done. That's the story behind every Dorito.